First up, let me begin this afternoon coverage by wishing all our viewers a very happy Diwali. Keeping up with the Diwali traditions, Prime Minister is celebrating his Diwali with soldiers at Lonjewala Post in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. While celebrating Diwali with Jawans, Modi has sent out a strong message to the neighbours. Talking on Pakistan, Modi reminded them about the battle for Lonjewala when Pakistan opened up the 1971 war on the Western Front to hide their war crimes, human rights violations, heinous crimes in Bangladesh. He also took on China, saying that the age of expansionism is over. He further added that the entire world is troubled by the expansionist agenda and India is leading voice against it. Modi has also gone ahead and warned neighbours, saying that India has a strong armed force which is capable of taking necessary action when the need arises. The Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, Army Chief Naravane, IAF Chief RKS Bhadoria and DG BSF Rakesh Asthana is accompanying the Prime Minister. Modi's visit of visiting soldiers at forward bases every Diwali is now being seen as a morale booster for our armed forces. After coming to power in 2014, he's been visiting different forward areas like Rajouri, Gurez and Siachen.
पाकिस्तान की सेना बांग्लादेश के निर्दोष नागरिकों पर अत्याचार कर रही थी, जुल्म कर रही थी, नरसंहार कर रही थी। बहन बेटियों पर अमानवीय जुल्म हो रहे थे और पाकिस्तान की सेना के लोग कर रहे थे। इन हरकतों से पाकिस्तान का घृणित चेहरा उजागर हो रहा था। भयंकर रूप दुनिया के सामने पाकिस्तान का प्रकट हो रहा था। इन सब से दुनिया का ध्यान हटाने के लिए पाकिस्तान ने हमारे देश की पश्चिमी सीमाओं पर मोर्चा खोल दिया। पाकिस्तान को लगता था कि भारत की पश्चिम सीमा पर मोर्चा खोल दूंगा, दुनिया में भारत ने ये कर दिया, भारत ने वो कर दिया करके रोता रहूंगा और बांग्लादेश के सारे पाप उनके छिप जाएंगे। लेकिन हमारे सैनिकों ने जो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया, पाकिस्तान को लेने के देने पड़ गए। आज पूरा विश्व विस्तारवादी ताकतों से परेशान है। विस्तारवाद एक तरह से मानसिक विकृति है और 18वीं शताब्दी की सोच को दर्शाता है। इस सोच के खिलाफ भी भारत प्रखर आवाज बढ़ रहा है। भारत आतंकियों को, आतंक के आकाओं को घर में घुस करके मारता है। आज दुनिया ये जान रही है, समझ रही है कि ये देश अपने हित से किसी भी कीमत पर रत्ती भर भी समझौता करने वाला नहीं है। भारत का ये रुतबा, ये कद आपकी शक्ति और आपके पराक्रम के कारण ही है।
Abhishek Bhalla is now joining us live for the very latest. Abhishek, year after year, the Prime Minister spends his Diwali with Jawans, putting out a strong message. This time around, a strong message is going out to Pakistan and China as well. Especially becomes important in the light of all that is transpiring at the line of actual control and the line of control as well. I'm going to throw straight across to you to get us the highlights of the Prime Minister's address to our Jawans.
Chaiti, what the Prime Minister said has huge context, in what has been happening over the last few months, be it at the line of actual control with China or developments with Pakistan. Just yesterday, in fact, there was a massive gun battle on the line of control in North Kashmir, where India lost 5 soldiers. There were heavy casualties on the Pakistani side as well as the Indian Army retaliated. The Indian Army destroyed terror launch pads. It also hit Pakistani Army vital installations. And in today's speech, the Prime Minister took a veiled dig both at China and Pakistan. It's very significant what he spoke about expansionism, a clear indication towards what China has been doing. And this is not the first time that he's spoken about expansionism. It was in Ladakh earlier when he was visiting and speaking to troops there amid the India-China standoff. Over there also he had clearly mentioned what wrong expansionism can do. And once again, at the occasion of Diwali, while spending time with the troops close to the borders, he did mention expansionism and said that it's an 18th century concept and it's like a mental disorder. So very strong words coming from the Prime Minister, clearly taking a dig both at China and Pakistan.
Absolutely, Abhishek. Thanks so much for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest on this story.